Okay, so this is going to be the PIDs for the Diatone GT-M2, and basically just stock configuration out of the box, whatever the props came with. I think it was the Gem Fan 1940 props, so I just tuned it exactly the way it came, just flashed Betaflight 3.5 and put these PIDs on, so go ahead and show you those. And don't forget to watch the intro video to get the baseline settings, because you're going to need that first. Put those in first and then put in the PIDs on top of that, and then you should get a tune that will fly like you'll see in the demo flight after this little discussion. Uh, these are the PIDs I came up with. This is the feed forward I ended up using, and these are my rates here. A little bit different from the GTR90. Someone asked me if they could use this the GTR90 on the M2. The numbers are just a tad bit different because of the different configuration, different props, etc. I think all these are the same as the baseline settings. The anti-gravity I did raise up to 6, although you may want to even increase that some more. And then I have TPA set to 0.25 and 1350 as the breakpoint, so those aren't standard. And I think that might be similar to what was on the GTR90. I'm not 100% sure on that, but yeah, you're going to need this, otherwise you'll get we basically get oscillations on punch outs, on high throttle punch outs, so be aware of that. And then under the receiver tab, don't forget to put these settings in here like I did in the baseline settings. I think these are also what were in the baseline settings, so don't forget to put those in as well. And that's pretty much it. Just make sure that after you flash this and put on these PIDs, you fly it for about 30 seconds to a minute, land, and check your motor temperatures so you're not frying your motors in case something is wrong. So without further ado, I'll go ahead and show you the flight footage. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.